Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the time format on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu right here. Now let's go to Preferences and go over to Timer/Energy Settings. Here we will have the time format, and we can change it to 12 hours, so AM, PM, or we can use the 24-hour format, or what people call the military time. Here we have a 24-hour format. Now, as you guys can see, it's changed, and I'll show you guys the second way on how you guys can change it. So as you guys can see, we are on the side of the printers. Now here we have the preferences, timer settings, and let's click edit. And here we have the time format. As you guys can see, those settings are already applied because we changed it on our printer. And now we can change it back to 12-hour format. Let's click OK. And I'll show you guys that it also changed on the printer. So as you guys can see, here we have 24-hour format still, but now let's leave. Let's enter those settings again. So let's go to menu, preferences, timer and energy settings, and as you guys can see, the time format is now 12-hour. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.